Alright, so since today's Wednesday, why not I should make a video about this? Alright, so do you know why that my laugh sounds like this? Sounds like this? The hee 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 ha ha ha? Well, I always think that I'm like the Joker, which is that is a pretty good reference, like the similarities, some crap. All right, again, let me tell you the reason why my laugh sound like this. It is because I love this laugh. All right, and this laugh reminds me of the Joker, Toko Fukawa, aka uh, Genocide Jack from Danganronpa. And most villains laugh sounds like this. The hee ha ha thing. So, yeah, that's my explanation of why my laugh sounds like this. And you know what's funny? It was because I was watching the funniest Markiplier video, Markiplier compilation video earlier, before when I made this video, and I say that was hilarious. This video is paying right with the laugh. So yeah.